Hi everyone. We've got a Shanghai Mitsubishi elevator throwing a trouble combo, EE and EF fault codes. The manual says EE means drive cannot start specifically. It's a communication failure between the CC CPU and the DR CPU. CC is the main board, DR is the drive board. So the culprit is likely a faulty main board or a faulty drive board. How to test it? Let's try the board swap method. I'll pull the drive board from a known good, working elevator, and swap it into this faulty one. See if the problem moves with the board. Swapped the drive board. Powered it back up. Success. The elevator is now running normally. Let it run for a while. We need to monitor it. If the EE EF faults.t come back, we know the original drive board was bad. For now, it's looking good. The fault cleared after the drive board swap. Fingers crossed it stays fixed. What would you have tried first? Share your diagnosis tips below.